This is a 2010 Acura TL. This car has a 5-speed automatic transmission and a 3.5-liter V6. Its top features include XM satellite radio, a multi-link rear suspension, traction control and stability control systems, aluminum wheels, and high-intensity discharge headlights. The following features are included: memory setting for the driver's seat's position so you can recall your favorite position with the touch of one button, dual power seats, steering wheel mounted controls, an illuminated driver's side vanity mirror, front and rear floor mats, rear curtain airbags, air vents for rear-seated passengers, a pass-through rear seat, and a sunroof enables you to fill the cabin with fresh air at the push of a button. This Acura has had only one owner and it qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. Please call us today for more information on this great vehicle.